Okay, folks, bear with me while I set this up. I've got the camera propped up. I don't have anybody to kind of hold the camera and film all this. So just, bear with the bad video. This is the 44 uh, Remington model 1858. Um, Great little gun. It's in stainless steel, and that makes it a keeper. Um, I've got it loaded up, ready to go. You can kind of see the end of the cylinder, the cap on it. Um, but let's see if we can get some shots done out of this thing. Just basically showing you the kaboom of it. I mean, as far as showing where the target is and stuff, it's 100 yards out there, and I don't think my camera's going to pick it up very good detail. But anyways, y'all just bear with me, and I thank you. Actually hitting it. Wow. I'm nailing my target. Nice. The clouds of smoke. If y'all could see that target way out there, you'd see that you know that target took every shot of that out at 100 yards. Here, I'll turn the camera, and you can see back there the little orange things up on the hill. That's what I was shooting. They're probably an inch and a half, 2 inches diameter. It's not through skill. It's just, with this is probably the third time I've been out shooting this weapon, and boy, she got pretty grip, don't she? Um, and it's just, pick one of those and shoot it. I hit 4 out of 6 that I aimed. But anyways, y'all be sure to like, share, subscribe. Tell your friends, and let them know. Hey, look, this is going to become a regular thing, and you know. But anyways, thank you.